Assalamualaikum to panels and Madam Amilin. Welcome to our forum today. So today we will discuss a topic about is eating clean is the most efficient way to lose weight. First of all, let me introduce to all of you our panels for today because they have a lot of information to share about the topic that we will discuss. The first panel is Zulaika Muhammad, second is Siti Nur Izati, and our third panel is Panel Fadadila, and the last one is Natasha Anis. Hopes all of you was in a pink of health. With me, Natasha, as your moderator for today. Our issue for today is clean eating is the most efficient way to lose weight. Basically, clean eating is considered as a healthy way of eating, and based on belief, clean eating is consuming whole food and avoid processed foods such as consuming fresh vegetables and fruits, lean protein and whole grains that offer a lot of health benefits. But nowadays, in this modern era, there is a lot of people living on unhealthy lifestyle, especially in food intake or selection. And as we can see, there's a lot of unhealthy foods on the market, such as fast food that is more affordable and easier to find, which is popular especially among young people, and that's actually one of the factors to gain weight. For further details about this topic, I would like to seek an information for our panels. And without wasting our time, my first question to our first panel, Zulaika, in your opinion, what is clean eating?
Okay, what is actually eating clean? Okay, eating clean encourage you to consume more whole foods such as fruits, vegetable, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fat, and limits highly processed snack food, sweets, and other packaged food. An example of a meal containing all of these food would be a spinach salad with grilled chicken, avocado, walnuts, and apple slices. Clean eating isn't black and white. There's room for flexibility and modification, and it doesn't require avoiding any certain food groups unless medical necessary. Clean eating also doesn't mean that all foods must be consumed in the raw state. Replacing meals with store-bought protein shakes or sugary smoothies and juices is not an example of clean eating.
From what Zuleika said, eating clean is not the only way to lose weight because there is other ways that can help to lose weight. So I would like to ask our second panel, Izati, do you agree with our first panel opinion?
Assalamualaikum to all of you. First of all, thank you to our moderator, Natasha, for this question. In my opinion regarding this topic, I agree with the issue that eating clean is the best way to lose weight. There are plenty of healthy diet, but the point is how we choose it. And my point of view is we need to choose low carb diet. People should consider starting by avoiding sugar and starch, which can help to reduce hunger levels. So instead of burning carbs for the energy, body starts to burn stored fat for energy. Low carbs main advantage is significantly reduced appetite, which can lead to eat less. Cutting carb lowers insulin levels, which will reduce bloating and unnecessary water weight. According to some dietitians, it is not uncommon to lose up to 4.5 kg and sometimes more in a first week of eating this way. Also, one of Harvard professor behind the study said that this advantage would equal to the number of calories typically burned in an hour of moderate intensity physical activity. In addition, the Journal of American Medical Association, JAMA, published a study in 2012 compared a dieters who followed a low-fat diet with those who followed low-carb and low glycemic diet. As a result, research found that low-carb and low glycemic diets burn more calories than those on low-fat diet. Low-carb diet aim is to reduce appetite, cause a fast weight loss, and also improve metabolic health at the same time. So, in my opinion, this evidence is clear to show that low carb diet is considered as the best way to lose weight.
Izati, actually, just low carb diet is not the best way to lose weight. Why did I say that? Okay, firstly, I want to ask you, what raises blood sugar? Okay, the answer is simple. It is carbohydrate. When carbohydrate consumption falls below 100 grams, the body usually responds by burning muscle tissue for the glycogen it contains. When those glycogen starts to run out, the body resorts to burning fat. But that's a very inefficient, complicated way to produce blood sugar. The body tries to do it only when it absolutely has to, and for good reason. Turning fat into blood sugar comes at a price in the form of byproducts called ketones. They make your breath smell funny. They can also make you tired, lightheaded, headachy, and nauseated. Feeling lousy is certainly one way to dampen the appetite, but not one most people would choose. Okay, with virtually no carbs in your system, you may even have trouble concentrating. Okay, according to the Institute of Medicine of the National Academy of Science, the human brain requires the equivalent of 130 grams of carbohydrate a day to function optimally, and that's a minimum.
I'm sorry for interrupt. For me, I disagree with Zulaika opinion, but I agree with Izati opinion. It because low carb diets may help prevent or improve serious health conditions such as metabolic syndrome, diabetes, high blood pressure, and cardiovascular disease. In fact, almost of diet that help you shed excess weight can reduce or even reverse risk factors for cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Most weight loss diet, not just low carb diets, may improve blood cholesterol or blood sugar levels, at least temporarily. A low-carb diet limits carbohydrates such as those found in grains, starchy vegetable, and fruit, and emphasizes foods high in protein and fat. Many types of low-carb diets exist. Each diet has varying restriction on the types of amounts of carbohydrates you can eat. A low-carb diet generally excludes or limits most grains, legumes, fruits, breads, sweets, pastas, and starchy vegetables, and sometimes nuts and seeds.
Thank you for all interesting information. So my next question is, Natasha, do you think that eating clean can contribute to lose weight?
Okay, moderator, thank you for the question. So I guess drink a lot of water also part of eating clean. So and yes, eating clean one of important factors to lose weight. Because from the research that I do, I found that drinking water helps to boost our metabolism, cleans our body of waste and acts as appetite suppressant. Also, drinking more water helps your body stop retaining water, leading to drop those extra of water weight. So usually we will be recommended to drink 8 to 8 ounce glasses per day to keep ourselves hydrated and encouraged to weight loss. So, but there's another way to help it to be more effective, which is drink before you eat. Because water is appetite suppressant, drinking it before meals make you feel better. Therefore, reducing the amount of food you eat. There's people said that drinking water help to fulfill or cut your craving. So this is why you water is the factors to lose weight. So there's some tips I want to share with you guys, which is some tips or knowledge, which is drinking water can replace calorie-filled drinks with water. Means like when you drink water, it can teach the soda and juice and replace them with water to help you to lose weight. If you think water tastes boring, there's some tips. You can add a slice of lemon, and a glass of water with lemon is a recipe for successful weight loss. Because the pectin in lemons helps to reduce food cravings, like I said before.
In my opinion, yes, water is one of the best health healing elixirs for any ailment. It is essential to carry out several bodily functions. It helps flush out toxins that may be harmful for your body and keep it going. While drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water every day may be advised by many health experts, there is a chance that overconsumption of water may lead to certain problems. According to all guidelines published in the Clinical Journal of Sport Medicine, you should drink water only when you are thirsty in order to avoid exercise-associated hyponatremia. According to this guideline, drinking excess water is not good for your health as it weakens the ability of the kidneys to excrete excess water load, and sodium in the body becomes diluted. Okay, this further leads to swelling in the cells, which can be life-threatening. This condition is known as hyponatremia. Okay, as per Dr. Shikha Sharma, wellness and nutrition expert in New Delhi, consuming too much water indicates the improper functioning of kidneys. Consuming water more than required can lead to unnecessary overloading on the cardiac muscle and can lower down the blood pressure.
So Zuleika think that overconsuming can lead to a certain problem, but Natasha opined that drinking a lot of water can help people to lose weight. So back to our second panel. Izati, do you have any additional information that you like to share with us?
Thank you to Natasha. My another point of view about this topic is people should avoid non-caloric sweeteners. Many people replace sugar with non-caloric sweeteners, believe that this will reduce the amount of calorie intake and cause weight loss. It sounds plausible, right? But however, studies fail to show that the obvious positive effect on weight loss by consuming non-caloric sweeteners instead of sugar. According to scientific studies, non-caloric sweeteners may increase appetite and maintain craving on sweet food. As we already know, sweet food has excess sugar that may cause people to pack on weight, and it is high in calorie. Study on avoiding diet beverages helps women lose weight said that this might happen because body increase insulin secretion in anticipation that sugar will appear in the blood. When this doesn't happen, blood sugar drops and hunger increase. So by avoiding non-caloric sweeteners, it will help people to lose in weight.
Sorry for interrupt. I disagree with Izzati opinion because to lose the weight, not only avoid non-caloric sweeteners, we have any ways to burn calories, such as exercise. Exercise can help burn calories, and to lose weight, we need to burn more calories than consume. So, if we do the exercise, we can also consume calorie sweeteners. Yes, we can consume that, but we cover with do the activities can burn our calories.
The panel just mentioned that drinking a lot of water and avoid non-caloric sweetener can influence the weight loss. So Natasha, other than those opinion, what can help in weight loss?
Thank you, moderator. So I think besides opinion that were given by Izzati and me before, there's another way to lose weight or something like that. So what we need is nutrition like nutrition that we nutrition that we get while we were eating it clean, so will help our body to lose weight. So this is because eating clean nourishes your body with healthy and nutrient dense food such as vegetables, fruits, nuts, legumes, extra virgin olive oil, grass-fed meats, and hormone-free dairy. So consistently eating clean foods will fill your body with plentiful vitamin and minerals, high quality protein, and healthy fats, which help to improve your heart and brain health. That will assist with weight management, build a stronger immune system, and increase energy level, among others benefits. So by eating clean can feel enough nutrition that your body may be needed, can make you more balanced and more happier. It means that a healthy mind live a healthy body. If you supply your body with everything it needs, it will let you feel it. Not only with clean eating, reduce mood swings. Some foods can even help your body to reduce the release of the stress hormone cortisol. You will feel more balanced, fitter, and healthier, and to enjoy your life to the full.
Thank you for our moderator. In my opinion, other way can help lose the weight, such as tracking exercise. Just like I said before, one study found that consistent tracking of physical activity help with weight loss. Meanwhile, a review study found a positive correlation between weight loss, and a frequency of monitoring exercise. Exercise can burn more calories than you consume. So exercise can help achieve this by burning off some extra calories. One of the most popular types of exercise for weight loss is aerobic exercise, also known as cardio. Example include walking, running, cycling, and swimming. Aerobic exercise doesn't have a major effect on your muscle mass, at least not compared to weight lifting. However, it's very effective at burning calories. Exercise has powerful health benefits. Exercise is really great for our health. It can lower our risk of many diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, obesity, osteoporosis, and some cancers. So, in fact, people who work out on a regular basis ought to have up to a 15% lower risk of dying from many of these illnesses. Exercise is also incredibly good for our mental health, and it can help us to manage stress and unwind. For example, there are three groups people. Group 1 do the exercise 5 days a week. Same with group 2, do the exercise 5 days a week. But the third group doesn't do any exercise. So, in result, group 1 participant lost 4.3% of their body weight, while those in group 2 lost a little more at 5.7%. The last group 3, the control group, which didn't exercise, actually gained 0.5%. So we can see that exercise important to lose the weight.
Thank you for the beneficial information. So I would like to ask Izati, do you agree that tracking exercise can help to lose weight consistently?
I'm sorry, Faradila, but I have to disagree with you. Exercise alone is almost useless for weight loss. While exercise is hugely important for overall health, how much you eat and what you eat has much bigger impact on your waistline. Cochrane review has the best evidence on exercise for weight loss. Physical activity alone led only modest reduction. To explore the effect of more exercise on weight, researchers have followed everybody from people training for marathon to sedentary young tweens to postmenopausal overweight and obese women who ramp up their physical activity through running, cycling, and personal training sessions. Most of the people typically lost only few pounds at best, even under controlled scenario where their diets were kept constant. When you alter one component, where the person decided to increase food intake or relax more to recover from exercise, then the less weight will be lost. So, by doing exercise alone, it will take a lot of time doing that to get the best result, and because of that, tracking exercise is not considered as the best way to lose weight.
Now I would like to ask Zulaika, what can we do to lose weight?
Not really. Okay, I think there is a better way. There is a better way than that, which is managing stress level. Okay, stress releases the hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. Researchers have known that rises in the stress hormone cortisol can lead to weight gain. Every time you are stressed, your adrenal glands release adrenaline and cortisol, and as a result, glucose is released into your bloodstreams. all of this is done to give you the energy you to escape from a risky situation. Okay, once the threat has subsided, your adrenaline high wears off and your blood sugar spike drops. This is when cortisol kicks into high gear to replenish your energy supply quick. Even if you are not eating foods high in fat and sugar, cortisol also slows down your metabolism, then it making difficult to lose weight. So that's why we need to manage our stress wisely.
I'm sorry, but I have a different point of view about stress. Stress is seen as negative thing in our health, but it is possible to change the perception of stress. The body's stress response reacts strongly to perceived threat. If you perceive something as challenge instead, the fear you would normally experience may turn into excitement and anticipation. In my opinion, stress is a good thing for losing weight. The author of We Need More Eustress in Our Life state that when you are running on eustress, you will probably find that you are super productive, energized and focused, which help work feel effortless. It also promotes self-efficiency, which the knowledge that can achieve whatever you set on your mind to, which in this case, loss in weight. This also make the person to try something new to meet the challenges that will lead people strive to achieve their ideal weight or weight loss. This change the concept of stress into positive encouragement and will keep them motivated.
My next question is, beside eating clean, what are the methods that can help to lose weight? Can Fadadilah answers my question?
Thank you for our moderator, Natasha Aida. In my opinion, eating clean is not the only way to lose the weight. So, in my opinion, getting a good night's sleep also help to lose the weight. Numerous of studies have shown that getting less than 5 to 6 hours of sleep per night is associated with increased incidence of obesity. Insufficient or poor quality sleep slows down the process in which the body converts calories to energy, called metabolism. When metabolism is less effective, the body may store unused energy as fat. In addition, poor sleep can increase the production of insulin and cortisol, which also prompt fat storage. How long someone sleeps also the regulation of the appetite, controlling hormones, leptin and ghrelin. Leptin sends signals of fullness to the brain. A new study found a link between sleep and weight. Study participants who were so-called short sleepers, meaning they got less than 6 hours per night, tend to have on average a higher body mass index or BMI than long sleepers. Higher perceived stress may erode sleep. Stress and less rest may cause these individuals to be less organized than normal weight individuals, meaning they would have to make more trips and take more steps to accomplish the same task. They might add to their stress and encourage other unhealthy behaviors like stress eating.
After listening to our panel sharing, I would like to pose my next question to Zulaika. other than information given by our panels, do you think that are there anything that can we practice to lose weight?
My another point regarding on this issue is taking and supplement vitamins and minerals. Okay, your body needs a certain amount of essential vitamin and minerals to function properly. What happens when you don't get enough of them? What happens when you eat too little food, or when the food you eat isn't sufficiently nutritious? Okay, it is possible that our bodies catch on and reply by increasing hunger level. After all, if we eat more, we increase the chances of consuming enough of whatever nutrient we are lacking. On the other hand, reliable access to vitamins and minerals could perhaps mean decreased hunger levels and decreased craving, thereby promoting weight loss. Okay. In one of the studies, 77 overweight or obese women received either a supplement of 1,000 units of vitamin D or a placebo every day for 3 months. Although the total weight loss was similar, those who took the vitamin D supplement, decreased their body fat by 2.7 kilogram on average. Okay, this was significantly more than the placebo group, whose average fat loss was only 0.5 kilogram. In conclusion, if you are overweight and not entirely sure that your body provides enough nutrient, it may be worthwhile to take a multivitamins pill.
Sorry, moderator. I don't agree about Zulaika opinion about adding additional supplement to our normal diet to lose weight. So I'm gonna give my own opinion about to argue about Zulaika opinions. So first of all, I want to let everyone know what is a diet supplement. So a diet supplement is any product that you will take orally that adds to the content of your ordinary diet. Not all supplements are intended to promote weight loss. A supplement may provide a variable nutrition replacement for consumers who don't get enough specific ingredients in their daily meals. A dietary supplement may contains it may contains vitamin, mineral, amino acid, enzymes, botanical products, glandular extracts, and organs products. So people take diet supplement for many different reasons: to lose weight or gain weight, to restore nutrition, to build muscle tissue, to support physical functions like eyesight, to improve sleep, or to boost energy. So I will tell you about how do weight loss supplement works. So it is functioning to curb your cravings for food, make you feel full before you have to eat too much make you full before you had too much to eat, speed up your metabolism, slow down your body fats production, and keep your body for absorbing the fat in the foods you eat. But if you're searching for a dietary supplement that will help you to lose weight, you will have no shortage of choices. The company that distribute these products claim that the ingredients in their supplements can help you achieve results like what I said before. So I think people not really know why this weight loss pill dangerous. So many diet supplements are harmless, and some may even be effective at creating sense of fullness, burning fat, or boosting your metabolism. But some of the popular ingredients in weight loss products have been banned by the FDA because of harmful side effect like
Thank you for informative and interesting talk. Now we know that we have a lot of way to lose weight, whether eating clean or any other way, but the key is the determination to lose the weight. We have come to the end of our forum for today, where we have shared a lot of knowledge which we don't even know before. For the last word from me, a billion thanks I dedicate to everyone for cheering up this forum for tonight. Thank you for your attention and Assalamualaikum.